Hello guys, good morning. This is going to be a long day for us because we are planning to go to one of the temples in Virginia, and while returning back we are going to go to IKEA to buy some stuff for the house. But before that, let's have some tea with the view. After having our breakfast, we are now heading to do a car wash first, and then we'll be going to the temple. After that, we are planning to go to IKEA, and this is my outfit for today. I am a person who does minimal makeup and who is not great with that as well. So just try to do something which is not a complete face, filled with all the makeup. Quite decent and quite just normal one. So yep, let's head back. Let's head to the first place. So as you can see the status of the car at this stage, we desperately need to get a car wash done. So that's what we are heading to for now. Let's see what else we have got into our plate today. We are here for the car wash, and I'll be showing you what it exactly does. It's not like the Indian car wash where the person does the car wash for you. Done with our car wash, and now we are heading to the temple, which is like 9 to 10 minutes away from this place. So it was quite amazing to watch the car getting washed altogether. After reaching there, we'll be spending some time at the in the temple to just go around, and so let's go. So guys, here we are at the parking lot of the temple. We're just waiting to get the parking, and then we'll be going inside to take the blessings from the temple. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. So here we are at the SSVT temple in Lanham, Maryland, and it's amazing how it looks from the exterior. Let's go and check out what we can see inside. It's pretty amazing. The view also is, luckily the weather is amazing today. So yes, let's head inside and just take the blessings from God. Had our lunch now, a sort of lunch in the temple. They had lovely food, lovely South Indian food. So it was one of my thing in wish list which I wanted to do for so long, and yeah, it was lovely, amazing taste, the typical South Indian taste. Now we are heading towards IKEA, which is like 15 minutes away from this place, and there is an amazing story about IKEA which I would love to share. So let's just wait for the place to come, and I'll tell you the story. Okay guys, so here we are in IKEA, and this is going to take a lot of time because we have too many things in the checklist which we need to find and get it. So yeah, let's see how things go and what all things we find in here. Okay guys, so we are here in IKEA now, and there is a lovely story behind this store. So me and my husband were in long distance relationship, if you guys don't know it, for like 3.5 years now. And I just came here in December in US. Earlier I was in New Zealand and he was in US. So while we were doing a video call, on one of those video calls, he said that he wants me to come here with him and do some shopping for the house. So the first time I came here, yeah, it was kind of a date for us. So the first time I came here, we took all the stuff for our new house, like the rented apartment which we have at this stage. But I didn't mention this thing before because at that time I didn't have my channel. So it is kind of revisiting the same place now to buy some stuff for the house. So let's go in and check what all things we get. Thank you. So after doing a lot of research, we are finally heading back home because we have done the last minute shopping. It was actually an impulse buy because we didn't decide to get that thing, but it was so tempting and we finally ended up taking the item. So yeah, here is the end for the IKEA's shopping. We are back at home, guys. It's 7:30 p.m. and it is getting a bit dark because it's cloudy out there. So we bought all the things which we shortlisted, and we were finalizing it for a week now. But we ended up taking one item which was not needed, but we don't regret buying it because we were going to buy it eventually. So since it was on offer, we decided to get it now itself rather than waiting it for another offer coming up. But yes, I'll show you all my purchases in my next video, so stay tuned for that. And let me know how you find this vlog. If you want me to make another one, and if you want me to continue doing that, please do comment on my comment box. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to your friends. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.